Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that can make or break your vacation: packing. If you have a cruise on the horizon, these essential packing hacks will help you save space and travel stress-free. Getting your wardrobe right is the first step to smart packing. Instead of throwing in everything you own, think about creating a capsule wardrobe. Start with a few versatile neutral bottoms, like a pair of linen trousers and a classic skirt or shorts. Then, add several tops in complementary colors and patterns. You'll be amazed at how many different looks you can create, from a casual day on deck to an elegant evening dinner, all from just a handful of core pieces. This mix-and-match approach is the secret to looking stylish without overpacking your suitcase. Now, let's talk about shoes, which are often the bulkiest items to pack. You really only need 3 or 4 pairs for a cruise. A comfortable pair of sneakers is perfect for shore excursions and onboard activities. A stylish pair of sandals or flip-flops is essential for lounging by the pool. Finally, pack 1 pair of elegant evening shoes for formal nights. To maximize every inch of space, stuff your shoes with small items like socks, chargers, or rolled-up belts. This not only saves room but also helps your shoes keep their shape during transit. Accessories are your best friend when it comes to elevating your cruise outfits without adding weight. A large, colorful scarf is incredibly versatile. It can be a beach cover-up, a wrap for chilly evenings, or an accent for a simple outfit. To keep your jewelry from becoming a tangled mess, use a jewelry roll or a simple pill organizer for smaller items like rings and earrings. A neutral-colored belt can also cinch a dress or pair with trousers, giving you more styling options with minimal effort. When it comes to toiletries, think small and solid. Decant your favorite liquids like shampoo, conditioner, and lotion into travel-sized, leak-proof containers. This saves a massive amount of space and ensures you comply with any travel regulations. Better yet, switch to solid toiletries. Shampoo bars, conditioner bars, and solid perfumes are game changers. They take up less room, way less, and completely eliminate the risk of messy spills inside your luggage. And that's a wrap on our ultimate cruise packing hacks. We hope these tips help you pack smarter and lighter for your next incredible sea adventure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.